cherries are starting to blossom. But anyway, let's get to business. Time to paint. Big Schmitto, in here pulling apart bikes.
Always. That's what we love here.
Stay tuned. If you want to get into detail, check out his fucking YouTube. Get around it. We're painting. It's all going on. Let's get into it. I'm out of cans. I need to wait 9 days. So, in the meantime, Schmitto, you got that pocket bike going?
Oh yeah,
Fucking not bad, huh, Cobb? Here we go.
Very good.
Just not getting very far today. We're getting halfway there, and we're coming to brick walls.
A little further than halfway, I think.
Yeah, I didn't get further than halfway. I need to do another coat. But heaps going on. I don't know how we're going to fill it, but at the end of the day, there's going to be more footage coming, so y'all enjoy it because there's all things going on. So yeah, we'll get back to the painting and the minis and the bloody, what are they called? The
pocket biking.
The pocket biking and the painting. We'll be back at it. Till then, enjoy. Whoa!
I want security, yeah. Without it, I'm at a great loss. Oh, now security, yeah. And I want it at any cost. Oh, now don't want no money right now. I don't want no pain.
Come on down here. Yep, good boy. Good boy. Hey, stunt dog. No problem, stunt. Oh, it still works. Go look at the smoke cloud. Yeah, the AU back in fucking form. Here he is, Big Schmidt. Here he is, big fucking schmitto.
Just moving things. Constantly moving things here. It's what I find myself doing most of.
Moving.
Moving things.
You know, it'd be even madder. Painting this like a helipad. Just cause. We just hang out on our helipad. We don't have helicopters, we just hang out.
Lovely day. Getting a little bit of a fucking pattern down in the new joint. What do you reckon, Shane?
Yeah, no, good. You know, finished off the bloody security cameras today. Bit of moving. Yeah, just chilling in the sun.
We're living right now. Have a look where we are.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Parkour!
Fuck yeah.
What's scarier than you think? Parkour! Oh shit!
Take 3.
All right. Parkour! Ah! Parkour! 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 Oh fuck! I did it the fuck out of that roof.
Fuck, didn't you?
Holy shit! That's a lot scarier than you sort of think it is. Like you look at it and go easy, and then you run up to it and you go, not that easy.
Fuck yeah.
Fucking brand new.
Brand new again, mate. Brand new. It was.
You scared the fuck out of me. Almost went up and kicked it. You would have broke me fucking foot.
Fuck yeah, the ladder. On your job. You right there, Cobb?
Doing a bit of fucking cartering and that. And there seems to be a hidden fucking pad of concrete. So, let's get into it and see what's good. Definitely got some free pads of concrete there. Shut up! So, that concrete definitely keeps going. That concrete definitely keeps going. Free concrete. Whoop, whoop. We need a backhoe. I'm not doing the rest of that with shovel. You can get fucked. Yeah, oi, got a new booth bump and thanks to Shawnee P, good motherfucker, hooked me up with a big flat screen. To all the little kiddies, follow your dreams, and if they tell you you can't, tell them suck on these. Oh, two banger sanger.
No.
Give it a rip, son. Oh, fuck keys, kick the start.
Probably never did.
Oh, mate! Not a problem.
Hey, what do you reckon?
Oh. Magic. Absolute magic.
Fuck yeah. Just out the backyard. Have a look, mate. Checking out our surroundings and serenity.
My valve doesn't work though.
Change valve doesn't work,
Either
but
way.
fuck, man, it doesn't matter.
Hit the
Look where
valve.
we are.
Hit the fucking valve, ladies and gentlemen.
Hit it. Get it. Oh, there it is.
Hit the fucking valve! All going on down here. All going on. Isn't it?
Yeah. Wait till you see the new skate park, dude.
Yeah, dudes.
Yeah. Look. Man, it was such an adjustment. Just being honest, it is nothing but love. But from the moment we discovered there's a bun in the oven, my whole world has been under construction. Cause I went from running amok to running a bath, drunk at the pub to hunting for parks. Don't get me wrong, yo, there's wonderful parts, but when you're used to being selfish, it all comes at you fast. I'd like to think that I'm doing alright. Build a flat pack cot without losing my mind. And yeah, sure, my thumb might have copped some bruises, but I persevered and now my daughter gets to snooze every night, unlike me. But hey, it's a labour of love. Up late, working night shifts to pay for her stuff. And every now and then I'd love to have a date with her mum, but I will settle for a wave and a hug. It's safe to say that my days are getting wasted and done, and any beverage that says it's caffeinated I've drunk. You might say that I'm bluffing, that I'm crazy, but stuff it. I wouldn't change it for nothing, cause I'm about that dad life. Yeah, you thought you were tough, till you tried to get a brand to transform in a rush. It's the dad life. Shirt still covered in chuck, but it's not your chunder for once. It's a dad life. No more ESPN, cause the kid knows that Disney exists. This is dad life. Yeah, the nappies all stink, but I still wouldn't change a thing. Yeah.
Do you want to try and do it by yourself? Like just straight?
fucking grouse. Mondays, huh? Cheers. Monday morning cruises with the pity. Not bad, Cobb, not bad. How you living? Come on. I told you we needed a backhoe. Yeah. Get up. Landscaping day. Still waiting for paint. Love it. Dealing with a bit of rubble out the front. Found an old juice bottle from the old juice factory. It's full. Oh, it smells juicy too. It smells cranberry and absolutely sensational. Should I drink it or have a swig? Just give it a little bit of a fucking doze in here. Let me fuck. Still waiting for paint. This postie needs to hurry up. But anyway, just thought I'd pop in and show you this little nifty thing that I made. So the other week I made a prototype, and this is the prototype. So this is my new workstation. Got the screen. Pretty dope. Now, with this thing, like I said, being a prototype, not the best. A little bit of sag there. That's right. It's just sketchy as. So, what we've done, so my old man has built me this rig, right? We're going to take this one off, fix this one, but let's make it quick and snappy and just get it done. Ready? Oh, dudes. Would you read about that? No worries. Sweet as. A little bit pumped. Here we go. Bang on. Let's do some work. Oh, done. Whoa. Don't stand on the mouse. Need some cordless, and I think that'll save a lot of issues. But other than that, yeah, see the mouse slides a little bit. Locks up against the wall. No worries. Fuck yeah, gamers, eat your heart out. Woo! Right on. Paint's here, ready to go. 16 days later, heaps has been done. Cleared all this, did all that shit the other day. It's heaps been going on, but anyway, it's time to paint. Let's get this job done. Go!
Green dreams fill my mind. Green dreams, my favorite kind. Green dreams are my oh my. If you come down and have another green dream, things don't stay the same. My mind takes a cat. Everything's bound to change. Like clouds move through the sky. We stay on my oh my. Things don't stay the same. My mind takes a cat. Everything's bound to change. Like clouds move through the sky. We stay on my oh my.
This crown, never back down. My clown, you cannot drown. Kung Pai, I will not die. Tell him I'm coming, tell him I'm prime. Tell him all about a rap top shop with a man inside. He really ain't fine. Keep a lot of my thumb, keep a lot of water to the pot divine. We are not over the cause, we are not over the fight. We are not over the populace, we'll continue to fly. Fuck 'em for taking my green dream. Fuck 'em for killing my high. Spin up another and tell me the reason they get why the weed is the lifeblood. I am in love with the herb, burning up only the nice blood.
Stay up in the quadrant with dogs, run off the leashes. So I guess you could call this my thesis. Smoking on the same strains, probably as Jesus. Cause the herbs from the earth, I proudly pledge my allegiance. In my green dreams, I see us as equal, we're all the same. But real life perpetuates the wrong in every man. And so it keeps changing this thing that we call life. And so I keep smoking just to get high, just to get by. Green dreams fill my mind. Green dreams, my favorite kind. Green dreams are my oh my. If you come down and have another green dream, things don't stay the same. My mind takes the cat. Everything's bound to change. Like clouds move through the sky. We stay on my oh my. Things don't stay the same. My mind takes the cat. Everything's bound to change. Like clouds move through the sky. We stay on my
I'm getting silly with the splitting feelings, counting my ends. I got enemies and foes, but I got plenty more friends. When they say your time is up for me, it really begins. I got 99 problems, so I'm dealing with 10. They say never, so I never give up. When my glass is half empty, I say fill up my cup. To the tip top, I'm running over with love. I'm only burning high octane premium buzz.
You know I got the goods, you know I'm flowing high. You know I'm talking bomb every day and every night. You know I like the smell, you know it never fail. It'll put you close to heaven, yeah, far from hell.
moment of truth. Yep, just cooked something. Fuck. So, obviously something's shorted. I don't know what the go is, but we're gonna have to get a fucking Sparky in and get that sorted tomorrow. So just another day waiting. Big Schmidto's out here bragging. Apparently we got a nice view. Let's have a gig, eh? I'm gonna have to tweak his up. Hold on. Hold on. Here we go. Oh.
Just poke out around this corner just about where I am. Right on that fucking sun.
Look at that. Hey. Can't complain too much. Can ya? I mean, I can complain because I still haven't got my fucking shit going. But anyway, see you tomorrow. Enjoy. Yeah. I also put them up the other day. Not bad, not bad. Anyway, like I said, see you tomorrow. We're on, ladies and gentlemen.
Just like home, let's color the streets like our own. Let's make this place feel like our home. If it's just you and me, it's alright, 'cause tonight we're gonna paint the town green. Green, yeah, paint the town green.
So yeah, we're all rolling, it's all happening. We got the Sparky around the other day. It's actually been a couple of days because just things are just absolutely chaos here, and picking up a camera and filming everything just doesn't work. But anyway, Sparky come, got it all sorted, everything's running. We've got all the elements in here fixed. I think I had about 10 elements broken that just weren't working, so it just wasn't producing the heat it should have been producing, so the belt had to be running slow. So now that I've sorted all the heat out, the belt can be running fast. Brand new belt, super expensive, but she's pretty funky. It matches all the black. Paint's obviously come out super good. It's and now that this thing does get super hot, I'm stoked I used the heat-proof paint because it hopefully should last long enough. We've got the Curas. Curas are all good to go. They're working. I've got one that's still a little bit, Sparky's got to come back and fix that up, but Curas are good to go, same deal. Got the heat paint on it and it's all pretty cooler. This carousel is in the mix. I'm sort of fixing a few little bits and pieces just to get it smoother, but I think I'm going to lash out and sort of buy myself a new carousel in the near future. So get yourself some t-shirts so I can buy myself a new carousel. LiveDieFree.com. But other than that, we're sort of running. We're set up. It's pretty good. I'm stoked. The process is going to be a lot faster. Like I said yesterday, I had a little bit of a float around, did a few might die things to get that sorted, and the process is already super fast. Yeah, now it's time you got to get your orders in so I can get to work. One more thing, Schmitto, you got that pocket bike going?
I actually did, Bruce.
All right,
I finally did.
Give her a rip, son, give her a rip. Pocket bike, yeah.
Paint the town green. Paint the town green.
Right on. So, done, dusted. We're all done. Big Schmidto's making more painting and stuff going on. I'm telling you, it's all happening out here. But yeah, so that's it for this episode. We've done all sorts. As we said, we had the bobcat out here. Actually, I almost forgot, which you would have seen in a little bit of the drone footage that I just got then. We've got water in the dam, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why the backhoe was here. We were sorting out a little bit of piping and stuff to get the dam filled so we can water the trees. And obviously, the trees are starting to flower. How good. So, it's all happening here. You know where it's at and what's going on. If you're fucking loving it and you're digging it, make sure you let us know what you want. What do you want to see? You want to see more of this making weird stuff like this? Do you just want to see more action and stunts on the bikes? Whatever. I'll finish this off too. Do you see this? Yep. Inspired by Danish fuels. If you want one, let me know. I'll make you one. Cheap, cheap. But anyway, once again, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for tuning in. Much love. You know what to do. If you're loving it, leave us a comment, give us a like. See you in the next one, y'all. David Attenborough, eat your fucking heart out.